Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to showcase multiple pictures or photos, build a portfolio, highlights products or display events, adding a photo gallery in GoDaddy Websites Builder is easy in 2026 once you understand how gallery sections work. Most issues come from adding images one by one instead of using galleries, bad mobile layouts, or forgetting to publish. So we will avoid all of that. So in this step-by-step guide, I will show you how to add a photo gallery in GoDaddy Websites Builder in 2026 like a pro. Okay, so first thing first, open your website's editor. Okay, so this is the main page. Log in to your GoDaddy account, go to website, find your website here. Okay, so tap now edit website. Okay, this one. So after you tap it, you will have a page like this. So you must be inside the editor to add a gallery. Okay, so go to the page where you want the gallery. Okay, so photo galleries can be added to home page, portfolio page, services page, about page, or blog post. Okay, so make sure the correct page is selected first. Okay, so now after that, add a photo gallery section. So click add section. Choose after that gallery. Okay, select the gallery layouts, write slideshow. Okay, so insert the gallery section, and this is the best way to display multiple images. Okay, so choose add images, upload images from your computer, or select stock images and then save. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.